Celine Dion tries to help people with the documentary I Am Celine Dion. Celine Dion announced her aim to raise awareness through her documentary I Am Celine Dion. Dion told The Hollywood Reporter on Monday at the New York City premiere of her documentary, which details her fight with stiff person syndrome, that she hopes it will assist people. The My Heart Will Go On singer disclosed her diagnosis of the life altering and uncommon neurological ailment in December 2022, forcing her to postpone and cancel tour dates. Dion said, "It's such an honor and a privilege to be a mother. And I thought that it was my biggest responsibility for me to know what was going on with my health for my kids. Then the respect that I have for my fans and my family. A lot of people in the world are suffering or alone or wondering, and I hope that this documentary gives an opportunity to people. First of all, to let them know that I am here as a mother, as an artist, as a woman, as an ambassador. In a way of I want to help people," she said. She pondered. A lot of people are gazing into a bag of empty hope, and it's really gloomy. And I felt like that for a long time until I learned that this is not life. That is not even dying. This is simply being motionless, and I didn't want that anymore. I do not believe I earned that. My children, especially, did not deserve that.